Hi there, this is Krisha. I'm happy to have you here. Today I'm going to show you what is in my ever-changing little travel art kit. So this is a little travel kit that I put together that I can take on vacation with me, or if I'm just going out of town for a night or two, or I can take it to the park, coffee shop, whatever. And it's, I can do my art and it's not too messy. So let me show you what I've got. So these little pieces here, first I'll start with, are some little washi tape pieces that you could use for like collage or something, or to tape something down. Here I've got a pencil sharpener. I've got a little ink stamp pad. So yeah, I've added some, I think I've got a few different videos on what I add in my art kits because I have several different kinds depending on where I'm going and the space that I'm going to have to create. So in this one, I've added a few fun things. Like I said, my little stamp pad, a stamp block, and some clear stamps. So I could like stick this bicycle on there and stamp that, or these little feathers. And then I've also got this like French script. I can't remember what these stamps are called. French, I don't know, paperwork or something like that. That's really fun. And then this is my handmade watercolor kit. So I just took little tubes of watercolors and squirted them into the pans. I bought the pans on Amazon and just put them in an Altoid tin. And today I also got these Winsor Newtons, and I did a little video of myself swatching these. So I might, if these will fit in here, replace those ones with this. We'll see. I'm sure I can fit it in there. I've got cat hair everywhere. I have a cat. Meow. Anyway, and then this is just a little washcloth that I use to clean my brush. This is my brush. This is my water brush. And I absolutely love this for traveling because you can take your little art journal, your watercolors, you can spray your palette, and then take your color, paint with it like this. Okay, that's a bright color. It's very bright. And then you can just go like this. And you squeeze the pen to get the water out, okay? So you squeeze it to get it in there and to have it rinse out. So you just do this on a paper towel or a cloth until it comes out clear. And just like that, your brush is clean. You don't need a jar of water, nothing. All the water is right here. So I love that. And then I have this water mister. What about the misses? And then I have another stamp pad, much bigger one. I'd like to get some more, or not more, I don't have any, except for these cheap ones. The little mini, the Ranger Archival acid-free mini inks, because they'd be great for little kits like this. And then I've got a glue stick, and I'll show you why. Because here in my art journal that fits wonderfully in here, this is a new one of my new art journals. I have a bunch of little bits back here that I can glue into my book if I feel like doing some collage stuff. So anyway, that's what the glue's for. Or I could glue 2 pages together, because sometimes I do that because these pages are pretty thin. This is a little book from the Dollar General, and it's decent for the money for me. It works. So sometimes I just want the pages thicker. All right, here I've got some, this is a little piece of oil pastel. And then I've got some colored crayon pencils, in a few different colors. Love those. Those are a lot of fun. I usually just do some scribble marks. I've got a Micron pen. I've got my favorite color, yellow ochre, Caran d'Ache Neocolor, which is a water-soluble pastel. And then a water-soluble pencil, Stabilo. Love that. And I guess that is it. So now I will try to fit it all back in here how I had it. So there's that. Here's this. Actually, I think I had it like that. Take all the pencils, put them here. That there, 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 there. This. There. Something like this. My stamps. More stamps. So this is a little different than I originally started, but it's all good. It's all good. I never put it back together exactly the same, so I'm not worried about it. And it closes. Look at that. Wonderful. Well, thanks for watching my video. And if you liked it, go ahead and click like, leave me a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you can see more fun, silly videos. Thank you so much for watching and have a beautiful day. Bye-bye.